5 dog facts that you never know. 1. Dogs drink by curling their tongues into spoons. Huskies? LOL. I'll just faceplant into the bowl. Their ears detect sounds 16 times better than humans. Random barking? They're probably hearing a squirrel 3 blocks away. Huskies? Alien invasion? Nah, just yelling at clouds. 3. Those sleepy whines mean they're chasing dream squirrels. Let them vibe. Huskies? Snores like a chainsaw. 4. If your dog freezes mid-walk, they're sensing danger. Huskies? I just realized I'm part Wolf. 5. Ignoring your pup can cause doggy depression. Huskies? Depressed? What is that? Which fact made you scream that explains my dog?